Container losses at sea are relatively rare, but have increased as the vessels have become bigger and the containers are stacked higher. When it does happen, it has large financial implications, as well as negative environmental impact. Furthermore, lost containers floating in the water are a hazard for ocean traffic and bring negative publicity for the ship owners and operators. Container loss is caused by excessive rolling in heavy weather, caused by waves hitting the ship sideways, also known as synchronous rolling, or by parametric rolling. Parametric rolling is very difficult to predict, as it often occurs in fairly good weather, and therefore comes as a surprise even to the most experienced crew and captains. Assessing the risk of parametric rolling based on visual, estimated or forecasted sea conditions can be problematic, as such ocean data has lots of uncertainty, no matter how automated and detailed the onboard tools for monitoring parametric rolling are. Using Miros Anti-Roll Assistant's unique real-time sea state data, combined with metadata of the ship, the crew is provided with an intuitive, real-time warning system and a clear guide to action for speed and heading adjustment to bring the vessel safely out of the risk zone for parametric rolling.